So we got some more of these bases in. I'm just heading out, but I parked on the wrong side, so I just have to walk over there to the car. So I got some more of these bases in. I only had to work on a few. I was basically grinding the bolts and cutting the pipes. So hashtag blessed. And then we started pulling wire because we ran out of supplies. Basically ran out of bolts, washers, and nuts. So I got this roll of mule tape here. That was expensive, so hopefully no one steals that. So we started pulling wire down here at the end of the other side of the building, which I might show a picture of, maybe not. Maybe I'll just do this instead. But as you remember, there is a wire spot around here in this corner, right over there. But one second. So we pulled this wire in right here to this carport. There's two circuits, and then there's another circuit down here on the left side, that very left post down there. Maybe we'll get there in a second. But this fish tape was stuck. These have been really hard pulls. Broke one of the strings, so that's why we got the mule tape. So we got a couple circuits in there, and that fish tape is stuck right there. So maybe I can close this with my foot. I got all the skills here, maybe not. This isn't working at all. I'm working on it. One second. Good enough. Skills. So then I'll show you this last one. I got Nessie over there just chilling, waiting for me. So let's see, got this last one over here. So we skipped this one right here because they were painting it. It was a little bit wet, so we got this one over here done. And then got a bunch of wire right there just chilling. So this is the one that broke, and then we had to mule tape it in. So slowly but surely we are getting her done. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice day outside, so see you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Catch you later.